Okay, who pays your bills as a property investor? Your tenants do. So what if you've never had any kind of experience of working or managing with tenants? Well, you need to learn, don't you? What if you're a bit nervous? I mean, I certainly was when I first started about managing tenants. And in fact, it's not that difficult, but you do need to know what you're doing. So I wrote a pack for you guys. It's called the Lettings Pack. Fancy names. But it does what it does. It's a practical step-by-step process. There's a whole bunch of templates you can nick in there. There's a whole bunch of letters you can nick in there. It deals with the difficult subjects of debt management, bad debt. It deals with evictions. It deals with all the processes of check-in, check-out, tenant acquisition, and tenant management repair. Just the practical, steady step. Now, I've got a very large portfolio with years and years and years, I mean decades of experience now, and I've taken that practical information and put it in there for you. Why? Because property changes lives. I am, you know, on a 3-week chill in Bali right now. Financial freedom happens in property, but you need the people to pay the bills, to pay the mortgage, to get financially free, and that's your tenants. So you also need to choose the right kind of tenants. We cover all of that stuff. Straight speaking as normal. Go get it. It is the Lettings Pack. Now, who's it for? Well, if you're beginning, definitely for you. It's going to just go, all right, sweet, I can do this. Intermediate, you've got maybe 5 to 10 properties. Good for you. But there probably are a few processes you can shine up upon, a number of efficiencies. You're probably getting stuck down some rabbit holes. You're probably not doing some stuff as efficiently as you possibly can. Your processes may need just a little bit of a redress. Fabulous. Grab this pack and use it as a bit of a sense checker to what you're already doing and where you can improve. And then those that have been in the game for a long time, good, well done. But you know what? In the nicest way, if you sat back in your laurels a little bit, is there anything that you could possibly improve that grabbing this pack will just give you a little bit of a tweak up and a bit of a shine? Probably worth it. So, thegoodpropertycompany.co.uk, the Lettings Pack. Good luck. I'm just going to go and chill in Bali for a bit longer. See you soon. Bye.